So I would be doing a great disservice to you guys if I didn't make this video, if I didn't come out here and say how I felt about what's going on in the stock market and the crypto market pretty much right now, every single day for the past week or so. Either way, I'm gonna make this video for you guys, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. You can tell what it is by the title, but we're gonna talk about just that. Just me, a little bit of a rant. Overall, we're just gonna be talking about everything that's going on. Either way, what's going on, people? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. Let's jump right into my portfolio and we can get right into the video. Let's go. If you guys know me, you already know what I do here on the channel, but if you don't, I pretty much make personal finance videos going over saving money, investing money, budgeting, credit cards, cryptocurrency, anything relating to money, side hustles as well. I got you covered right here on the channel. Either way, we're going to jump into my Robinhood portfolio today. We're going to go ahead and click on Robinhood, open that on up, Face ID, and we're in. And you can see that my portfolio is down quite a bit. Last time I made a portfolio update, I believe I was sitting around $36,000. And you can see today, right now, this is live. It's about 11 a.m. in the morning, 11:30 in the morning. We're down about $1,200. So I'm right with you guys when it comes to the market and everything like that. I'm not immune to taking losses in the market. Just want to make sure that's very clear. But right now we're down about 3.59%. For the past week, we're down over $3,300, about 9%. In the past month, roughly the same thing, about 9.5%, down about $3,500. Obviously, all this has pretty much come from the past week, and that's pretty much because of all the fear that's going on in the market. This isn't anything new. We still have the virus going around, all the kind of stuff doing its thing. We still have these supply chain issues. We still have these inflation worries that, you know, the inflation is going to skyrocket this year, which it honestly should, to pretty much get things back on track. It kind of has to. So all this is going on top of the market going down, on top of crypto going down. So of course, all that fear added into the market. If people need their money right now, they're obviously going to take that money out. If they don't need that money right now, like myself, if you don't need this money for within the next 5 years, and I don't really see any reason to take any money out right now. I think this is actually a great opportunity for yourself, as I mentioned in previous videos, when the market has hit these downturns, which is very normal and should happen. This is not something that shouldn't happen. The market doesn't always go up, just like it doesn't always go down. Either way, I do want to talk about a couple things, and that's just where we're at right now. We scroll down in my portfolio, you can see. Let's go ahead and change to today's return. You can see I'm pretty much down in every position. Let's see, Lowe's is up a little bit, pretty much nothing though. And then Clorox is up just a little bit as well. And everything else is down. These last couple of stocks are just free stocks I got from you guys. So thank you very much for signing up. People mention to me all the time, oh, I wish I got into Tesla earlier. Let's actually go to Tesla stock right here. I have 4.69 shares of Tesla. Overall, we're down about $300 today from Tesla. Tesla right now is sitting at $8.80 a share right now, and it's, you know, fluctuating because the market's open. And we scroll down a bit. I'm still up 61% on my Tesla position. People always tell me, oh, you know, I wish I could have gotten into Tesla earlier and stuff like that. This is your opportunity to buy some Tesla. I didn't recommend buying Tesla around $1,200. I still believe Tesla will go to around $2,000 a share this year. Yes, I still do believe that with everything going on right now. It might not happen, but that's what I believe. And I'm a long-term investor in Tesla, so I believe in the company long-term. So this doesn't mean anything to me. This is actually a great time for me to go and buy more Tesla stock. But even at this price point, the people that I told to buy Tesla around $800, $900 range, I told them to buy it around that range. Here we are around that range, and I bet you almost 90% of those people still won't buy Tesla stock simply because they're afraid that it's going to go down even more. It might not. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. That's why the future is the future, and we simply don't know. We don't have these time machines to let us know all this stuff. So you have to take a calculated risk with your money to go ahead and invest in a stock like Tesla, or to go ahead and invest in something else. But if you go and look at a different stock, let's go and look at Coke. Coke is a pretty solid stock, down about $14 today. Overall, I'm up about 24%, and I have about 12.5 shares in Coke. Coke sitting at $59.29 share right now. Coke's a solid stock to be invested into in the long term. Sure, you're taking a little bit less, or honestly a lot less, calculated risk being invested into Coke, but you're also not going to make that same amount of return that you might make investing with Tesla, and that's just something that comes down to investing. You're going to take some risk. You could be more here or more there, but you're going to take some risk when it comes to investing, and you have to just deal with the downturns when they happen. The market doesn't always go up, as I already mentioned. People mention that they want to get Apple and Microsoft cheaper because Apple and Microsoft always goes up, and they pretty much do. Honestly, in my opinion, I feel like Microsoft and Apple never take dips, but look at it today. I'm down $55 on Apple. I'm down $37 on Microsoft. We go in, Apple sitting at $157. I'm overall still up 22% with Apple. Go check out Microsoft. Microsoft, I'm down about $37. Overall, still up 18% with Microsoft. Great times to buy them for the long term because I love both of these companies. I'll be invested in both of these companies, and I should buy more stock of these companies because they're going down even further, so I can get a better position when it comes to going back up. In my settings, I can go and check out my dividends. At least on Robinhood, that's what you can do. But you can dividend invest on any platform. But we go ahead and check out dividends right here. You can see all the dividends I have coming in from these stocks that I'm already invested in. People always tell me, Mike, I want to start my dividend investing platform, my dividend investing portfolio. This is a great time to do that because you're buying some great solid companies like Procter & Gamble, like Lowe's, like Verizon, like JP Morgan Chase. You're buying all those companies, all those stocks for a lower price than what you bought it for, or what you would have bought it for about 2 weeks ago when they were around their all-time highs. Now, they're not around their all-time lows, but they are lower than 2 weeks ago. So you're getting a better cost average for your money. On top of that, they pay you a dividend maybe every single month, maybe every single quarter, and some of them every year, once a year. It depends on the stock in particular, but definitely watch my dividend videos because this is a dividend and growth portfolio that I have set up for my Robinhood portfolio. I made a whole dividend video showing you how to make your own dividend portfolio and everything, so make sure you check that out, linked right up there. But the whole point is I'm getting paid passive income for holding these solid companies that aren't going to go anywhere. Apple and Microsoft also pay a dividend, not as much, but Apple and Microsoft also pay a dividend as well. But these companies aren't going to go anywhere. Just because the market's down today or has been down for the past week doesn't change anything that's going on with these companies at all. And I just want you guys to be aware that it doesn't matter. In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter. In the long term, it doesn't matter. If you need this money this year or in this week or this month, then it might matter to you because you need that money right now. But in the long term, grand scheme of things, no, it does not matter. It's a great time to go and buy some more. Now, last time I checked, the overall market has been down for the past week over about 10%. So down about 10% over the past week, and it looks like it's still going to go down for the next couple of days, maybe even longer, maybe up to March, maybe a couple of years. We don't know. In the event that all this does get reversed tomorrow and magically everybody just starts buying stocks again because it went down far enough, okay, we're solid, let's start pumping the stocks, make them go back up again. You'll be out of luck if you don't have any cash, and that's why it's so important to have cash on the sidelines for things like this. Cash is sitting in a high interest savings account if you can get one, or just sitting in one of my favorite savings accounts, personally, Yada Savings. I made a video talking about Yada Savings. They don't pay me to say that, but I think they're a great savings account. It's actually my favorite savings account. It's great. Either way, the whole point is have cash on the sidelines ready to go ahead and invest in stuff like this when things like this happen. If you don't have any cash and you pretty much can't take advantage of the opportunity that we're sitting at right now. This is an opportunity for you to make some more money. This is an opportunity for you to get in early or for you just to get started. It's that simple. This is also an eye-opener for people that don't diversify. And yes, I mean diversify in the stock market, aka buying different stocks in different industries to overall balance your portfolio out. But as you can see earlier, all my stocks are down and they're all in different industries. So the whole stock market's down, the crypto market's down as well. So what I mean by diversification is to diversify your income. If you're only making money from your 9-to-5 job and maybe some little bit of dividend income in the stock market, or maybe, you're just betting on your stocks going up, maybe options, stuff like that, then you're kind of out of luck in one sense of your income. Your 9-to-5 job, they're going to continue to pay you because it's a 9-to-5 job as long as you go to work. Stock market, you're not making any money right now unless you're doing option puts or something like that. Other than that, you're not making any money right now because the market's going down unless you are invested in dividend stocks. But usually if you don't have hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars invested into dividend stocks, it's not anything significant where you can go ahead and quit your job. But that's when other forms of income for yourself come into play. You should definitely try to get multiple sources of income spread across different variety of type of things so you can go ahead and make money. When something's going down, you can make money somewhere else, or just vice versa. You do whatever you gotta do. This could be from DoorDash, doing Uber, maybe Instacart, maybe you have a reselling business, maybe you have a Shopify store, maybe you do car flipping at car auctions, maybe you rent your own car out. All these different ways are different ways to make money on top of ways to make money in the stock market. Just in case the stock market isn't doing well, you can go and do that. On top of that, you might want to look at some skills you may have. Maybe you're really good at teaching. Maybe you're really good at DJing. Maybe you're really good at talking to people and making YouTube videos. AKA 3 more ways to make money. You don't just make money instantly off YouTube or doing all those other things. Or maybe you're good at bartending. I don't know what you do. Let me know what you do down in the comment section below. Let me know, what you're interested in, all that kind of stuff. But these are other ways to make money that you can make money from simply by not having to worry about what the stock market is doing. And all those other ways you make money are great ways to put that money back into the stock market during times like this to make you even more money to pretty much multiply your arsenal. You're going to be good to go regardless. As long as you have multiple streams of income, you'll always be safe. You'll always be good to go. You'll always be ready for the next move for yourself and whatever else the world has to throw at you. But overall, that is pretty much it. I guess this is kind of a rant. I'm looking at some more of my notes here. I'm looking at people like those Neo investors, those ChargePoint investors, those SoFi investors. Where you guys at right now? Because those stocks in particular are going to take they're taking a beating right now, but those stocks in particular are definitely going to take a bigger beating than something like Procter and Gamble, something like Coke, something like Verizon. Those stocks, SoFi, Neo, ChargePoint, those type of stocks are going to take that beating, and this is the great time to be invested in those stocks because you can go ahead and get in for a lower price point. I think SoFi in particular is down like 30 or 40% over the past month. That's crazy, you know, like it sucks for the people that bought it when it was higher than, 40% higher, but it is what it is. And now it's time for you to go ahead and either, reevaluate your portfolio. Maybe you don't want to be investing in this long term, but you already took a 40% loss. So, hey, do what you want to do. All I'm saying is this is an opportunity for a lot of people. This is an opportunity for yourself as long as you're a long-term investor. And that's my mindset when it comes to investing in the stock market. I always look at it as a long-term investment. So I'm not worried at all. And that's why I'll continue to share all these videos. And I hope everybody else that you guys follow and, everything else like that share the same type of mindset. Because if you're in it long-term, there's absolutely nothing to worry about. If you got to cash out soon, then yeah, it's a little bit of worries, but you got to take that on your own. You got to do other things to make sure you're safe in case something like this happens, because this happens and it's very normal. So yeah, as they always say, when in doubt, zoom out. If you zoom out and look at the entire S&P 500 index as a whole over the past 10 to 15 to 20 years, you can see that we're at a top point yet again. The market continuously goes up over time, so you just gotta wait for it. We're in a downturn right now. Who knows how long it'll be? Who knows how far down we will go? But overall, when we go up again, we'll go up even higher than we did before. History has proven itself and nothing has changed. It's always been the same exact way every single time. So that's all I really got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you got something out of this video, let me know down in the comment section below. Definitely hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button to see more content like it. I just recently uploaded a video talking about the Robinhood crypto wallets because I think I'm like the first person on YouTube with Robinhood crypto wallet access. So that's pretty cool. Check that out. I talked about it. And yeah, I got other stuff coming soon. Of course, I got a dividend video coming up. My full portfolio overview is coming up. Of course, you guys already saw the portfolio, but I'll go over every single stock in my portfolio every single month. I do that every single month. So check out that video with a playlist of videos. We link right up there. And yeah, I think that's it for the notes. There you guys go. I'm just here to provide you guys with some investment insight, help you on your investment journey, just in case this is something that's new to you. And yeah, I hope you guys take care. Stay safe. Stay positive. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.